Welcome, Aces. Welcome back to our music lesson for this week. We are going to focus today on solfege. Now, some of you might be familiar with that, and some of you might not. Solfege is a musical language that uses syllables to represent each note of a scale. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do are the syllables that we use in the solfege language. And so we've already talked about the staff, but we're going to kind of figure out how solfege fits in. We've talked about how there's 5 lines and 6 spaces. Notes can go on the lines or in the spaces. We have talked about reading the music staff from the left to the right. And we read all the lines and spaces at once. So whatever note comes next from left to right is what we read. Then we have talked about the note heads tell us what pitch to sing or play, what pitch comes next, and the stems and the beams tell us about the rhythm, right? And so now we're here to solfege. Now, these letters here stand for those solfege words or syllables, which is do, re, and mi. We're just going to focus on do, re, and mi today. What I want you to know is that any note that is across from one of these letters is going to be that syllable. So, for instance, this note was across from the D, so that means it's a do. This one is on the line where the R was, so that's a re. This one is a step up, that's mi. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is on your seesaw response, there are 2 slides. Well, there's 3 slides. One is this video. The next 2 are patterns that you can listen to and then drag the notes onto the music staff. Let's see if I can demonstrate that. So here's one of our slides. And there's a little sound icon here. So when you click on that, you hear the pattern. And down here are the notes that you're going to drag over. It says drag these music notes onto the music staff to notate what you heard. Notate means show what you heard. I'm going to do like a demonstration. This is not going to be the answer to one of your slides, okay? But if you heard something like loo, 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 well, then you would have to listen to that maybe more than 2 or 3 times. And you have to listen, okay, where did it start? Did it start at the highest or the lowest, or did it start in the middle? And what happened after that? Did it move up or move down or stay the same? And you're also listening for, was it 1 sound on a beat or was it 2 sounds on a beat? So if I sing that again, it went loo, 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 loo. Well, in that one, I heard that the first sound was the lowest out of the whole thing. So I know I'm going to start on do for that one. So I'm dragging this music note over here so that the note head, the circle part, is across from the D for do. And I also know that it's 1 sound on a beat. Listen for the next one. Loo, 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 loo. I heard that the next one went a faster speed. There were 2 sounds on a beat. So that means, I'm going to use this one next. Where does it go? Does it go on do? Did it stay the same or did it move up? We know it can't go down from do. Listen again. Loo, 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 loo. I heard that it went up, so I'm going to put it a step up across from the re. The note heads have the line going right through the middle. And then it went loo, 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 loo. I noticed that the last 2 notes were the same, and they stepped up from re. So I'm going to put them across from the mi. When I do that, then I can go on to the next slide and do the next pattern. Now, this one doesn't have the sound on there yet, but you are not obviously going to sing one. You are going to click here, you're going to listen to the sound, and then you're going to drag the notes for two separate patterns. So this one will be a different pattern. Notice the notes are a little bit different here. That's your seesaw job today. Really work on it. Listen to it as many times as you need to. There's no rush. You have all the time you need. And if you ever have any questions, you can leave me a comment or email me if you need to. All right. So work on notating those patterns on the music staff. Thanks, everyone. Bye.